Once you have created a page to house your blogs like we did in our last video tutorial, you would access that page by clicking on it here, and it will take you to this screen. Here you have some different things you need to set up to edit the settings of your blog to facilitate discussion between yourself and your students. First, you want to click New Posting. Basically what that means is that is the title of each individual blog. So if you want to add a blog, you would click New Posting. It will bring up this prompt asking for the title of that individual blog. I'm going to make this one Class Discussion. It is very important that you set the post date that this will actually be applied to your website. It will automatically, for the start, be the first date or the day that you are currently posting it. You can leave it as such, or you can set it to begin at a later date. I will leave this one to post immediately. Be sure to click Save so that it will save that blog under that title. It will take you back to this page. It is very important that when you're on this page you click the Options tab in the upper right. That displays this prompt. Here it is very important that you click Social Settings, and then you have some different options here between community editing, rating, RSS feeds, but the very important one here to allow you and your students to discuss across the board is commenting rights. Once you click there, it will bring up a few more options. I strongly recommend that you leave this one checked. What this basically means is it is a security measure to ensure that you, as the site manager, have to approve all comments that are left on the blog. They cannot be posted without your approval in case someone was to put something inappropriate or attempt to put something inappropriate on the blog. Also, here is an option I typically click. It allows the visitor, the person leaving a post, another text box for them to put their name so that their name will display along with their post. Again, you have the built-in approval here. If someone was to try to give themselves an inappropriate name, you could choose to disapprove that comment and it would never make it on the post. You have additional settings here. It is probably best to show your newest comments at the top so that just upon visiting the page they are displayed immediately what the most recent topic of discussion has been. This should help engage the students more rather than having to scroll. I find that many students dislike scrolling to find the information they need. But once you have your commenting rights set up the way you would like, be sure to click Save so that it applies those settings to the blog. And as you can see here, you now have a blog titled Class Discussion, where you can facilitate discussion with your students. And if you ever want to check and see that you have correctly created it, you can go to the View Website option, and this will bring up a preview of the additions you've made to your website. You can see here where it displays the different pages of my website. I will go to the blogs page that we created in the previous tutorial. Here it displays that title by its name of Class Discussion, and currently there are 0 comments, but it will increase this number as comments are left. To access the comments, to view the comments, you simply click Comments and it will display those here. Thank you.